So welcome friends today and we are back again in another video after so many days because of some personal work and some other work was going on, so I was not able to get much time to make this video. Already I have almost means covered the GATE syllabus, I guess, because I have covered SOM, TOM, MD, industrial, only the mathematics and the aptitude part is remained, I guess. So today we will be covering aptitude part and we will see where to study and all, and what I have got in the aptitude in 2021. So let's begin. So here you can see, as you can see, like GATE syllabus completion, full aptitude including special aptitude. Special aptitude has been added in 2021 only. Means it is almost 40% extra, you can say, the aptitude part, which is very important. In 2021 it was not, you can say, it was there, but after giving the exam or after seeing many other examination which was there, from other branches, that special part was not tough or whatever. If it is asked, actually, means in my portion also it has asked, but it was very little bit simpler side. Means if one can make a little bit tougher side also, because GATE, those questions were not apt to GATE, I will say, but still it is for everyone, you can say, a bonus mark. So I got almost 14 out of 15 marks in GATE aptitude, because you know that aptitude portion is almost covering 15%, 15%, you can say, or 15 marks of the GATE, you can say, paper. So here we will cover like where to study and all, and I will covering the newly added topic, which is special aptitude, where to cover. And I will be covering two more topics which is very important, which I have studied, you can say, apart from the basic lectures I have studied. Like you can say, I have studied time and work and allegation mixture from some other sources also, because it is very important. Because you can say, in time and work, if aptitude is there, then you will be, you can say, you just see that there will be a question on time and work, or on the allegation and mixture, or both of them also it is covered. So these two are very important topics as far as aptitude is concerned. So let's see what are the topics. You can say the first link is a general aptitude. Okay, this is from, you can say, I think it is from Kuldeep sir or someone like that. I think it's from Kuldeep sir only. Okay, so here we will be covering almost, I think, 30 to 34 lectures. One lecture will be consist of one topic. You can say, if there is a number system, then there will be a topic, there will be a chapter on that number system only. And likewise there will be 30 to 34 lectures. It will cover almost all the topics, but yes, they will cover the theory part much, so you have to practice onto those side, actually. Otherwise only I will say, only in aptitude, only seeing the, you can say, theoretical part is not enough to score good in aptitude, because you will be like, I will show you like how much time it will take to cover the almost, you can say, whatever the 15 marks in the GATE examination. Okay, like 20 minutes to 25 minutes, 30 minutes, means how much time you should give to the your aptitude portion. And you can say, then again, the second link is for the special aptitude. This is again from the Kuldeep sir only. I think last year only few means tutor only have covered this, you can say, special aptitude. I will add more, actually, link into a description below, where you can learn more on the special aptitude and the tricks also. Means these are not the tricks, these are, you can say, a syllabus covering. Tricks are there, like dice, you should make the corners, you should see the corners, and should see the faces and all. So this type of, you can say, the tricks will be there. And the third link is time and work. As I have already told, like I have covered these two links. Third and fourth link was different, although they will cover in this, in here also, like time and work and legend mixture. But these two are, you can say, numerical only. This, you can say, this here you will be covering the numerical, various type of numerical which have come into the exam. Even not only the GATE, only the MBA part or CAT part. Okay, means, because if you are doing the aptitude from the CAT and MBA side, then of course you are doing, you will do good in the GATE also. Okay, so let's see the now the timeline, actually. Okay, so you can say 20-minute aptitude. So you should take 20 minutes almost for your aptitude portion in your GATE examination time. okay, because yeah, you can say like in this year you have seen like the paper was jumbled actually, like anyone that portion can be anywhere, one or two, one marks anywhere, 2 marks anywhere. So this type of things they have played, okay. And yes, it has impacted, yeah, it has impacted. If you will ask like whether it is impacted the jumbling, yes, it will impact you, because through the year you will see that paper like 1 mark question will come first and the 2 mark question will come after that, okay. So this type of, okay, this type of things will come, okay. So you can see I have covered aptitude in, you can say, 21 to, okay, I have started in 21st Feb and covered in 23 Feb. These 2 days I am talking about those 34 lectures which was there in the first link, okay. Means because they will be very short you can say videos, you can say 10-minute 20-minute videos only. So we will be covering almost in 2 to 3 days you will be able to cover. If this maybe this day maybe the weekends also, okay, or maybe the holiday date. Otherwise you will, because and holidays you will be, I will get more time, no? Because I was in job actually. So that's why you can see like 21, 22, 23 3 days is enough to complete the videos of that portion, okay. Now the first revision you can see while I was giving the gate pyq, or I was practicing the gate pyq. So that time you can see it's 25 26, one day only, 2 days only it will take you to, you can say, revise and do the practice from the gate pyq. Then again the second revision you will see after 1 month, 22, you can say. Before it was 2 days in first revision, now the second revision it is one day only, 22 22 only, okay, while giving the test series, okay. Then the third revision will be full revision sort of, it is around in July. And then fourth revision in November, okay. These revisions are like, you can say, full revision, means I will take the copy out and I will revise all the chapters. But in between you will say every 15 day per okay, you can say on every 15 day, every 15 days what I used to do is you can say I will take one chapter and I will try to do those chapters numerical from anywhere, from the workbook, from the online sources and all. So this type of things you have to do, you can say every 15 days, for you can say, or you can do even like many people will suggest you like give 1 hour daily to the aptitude. I will suggest, yes, you can give if you are a full time, you can say full time, if you are covering, or you are preparing for the gate. Otherwise, I will say 15 days you can give 2 to 3 hours to the aptitude portion till September. Then you can do daily basis. Because it is very simple portion and scoring portion. You can say like I have got 14 out of 15 marks in the aptitude. So you will see like if you are getting more marks on the aptitude side, then the pressure will go down in your technical side, okay. Because if there you are losing 1 or 2 marks, then you have covered in the aptitude side. So this way you can manage your marks in the technical field, because 85 marks from the technical side, okay. So this way you can see these are the timeline. And I hope I will add some more links. As I have already told, that those links from the special side only, okay, that you can refer also, because I have already referred these four. I have already referred, okay. So these are the portion. So that's all from the aptitude side. If you have any query regarding the portion and like specific, yeah, I have not given all the links. Yes, of course there will be other links for the specific topic also, but that I will be leaving on you, because that is individual requirements, okay. You can get only by this chapter only, you will be getting all the concept, or if you are not getting, then you will refer more chapters or more lectures, okay. So that depends only solely on the person, okay. So that's all. If you want any specific topic links, I will you can comment. I will try to provide the link from where I have studied. If I have not studied, then I will provide a genuine link where you can study that topic. So that's all. And that's all from my side today. And do well in exam. All the best.